Hey Team 101, today we will be analyzing and forecasting for gold and Bitcoin. This video can have two parts. Right now I do not know whether it will or whether it will not, but let's see. So the forecast will be a follow-up for the weekly prediction, and this forecast will be of 2 days, 26th and 27th May. Then on Wednesday or Thursday I will upload and follow up of this video. So thanks for all of the viewers who have subscribed to my video, and I have been uploading my video from a long time, and the previous week forecast for gold got a great response and a great subscriber count. Thanks for subscribing who have subscribed, and who haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, as 91.7 viewers viewing my video aren't subscribed. So let's begin. In gold, we can see a traditional channel, ascending channel, which I have been explaining on the weekly prediction also. Here we can see that the gold is trying to touch the support, and here what I consider would be a great opportunity to go long when the golds tested the support, and the support would be some around 1719 till 1715. That would be a great opportunity to go long with the take profit of above resistance, which is some around 1812, which will give us a great opportunity and less risk to reward trade, as the stop loss can be just placed below the support line. As I show you here, the position will be created some around, let's say 1719, and the take profit would be set up around at 1800, and the stop loss should be just placed below the support zone, and this trade will provide us a risk to reward of 1:4.5, which is a great risk to reward. Moreover, after seeing the channel, we can see that the gold is also making an after the channel, we can see that the market is making an bullish pennant, as I will show you. Here is the resistance. This is a pattern which is usually made by a market which is been in a long-term bullish momentum, or has experienced a long-term bullish momentum. As the gold has, the bullish momentum started around 23 March, and since then the major trend for the gold is an bullish, as the trend line which I have drawn can be shown that the gold is in a bullish pattern. Moreover, here we can see that the market is testing the resistance and support. Thus, a break through this resistance line can also be an entry trigger. However, I prefer that the market should break the should test the support zone, and then we should trigger a buy position. Now going on a smaller time frame for 4 hourly. Here on 4 hourly, we can see that the market is making a descending channel, which also support our theory of channel which I have made on the daily chart. Here the market is making an descending, I will show you. Here we can see that the market recently tested the above resistance and bounces off. Thus what I am considering is the market to touch the zone of 1721, which is in great resistance and support zone both. However, what I am considering, or what I am believing, that the market wouldn't test this support zone. However, the market would bounce off from this support or a resistance in past zone. Let me draw a zone. Here we can see that the market has recently tested this support and resistance zone. Here the zone has acted as in resistance. Over here also the zone has acted as in resistance, and market bounces off after testing the resistance. Here we can see in breakout, and thus here we can see that the market, which was in previous resistance, has turned the support. Here also we can see in support, and here currently previously we see in support and bounce off, test towards the resistance, then the market again testing the support. So what I am considering with our theory of channel on 1 day chart, that the market would test this zone and bounces off and breaking the market would test, then the market would bounce off, breaking the resistance, breaking this resistance line. Moreover, on a smaller time frame, on an 1 hourly chart, we can see a wedge reversal pattern being formed, which is also an reversal pattern which usually occur in an bullish momentum, where for in short term the bearish momentum enter, and thus when there is a breakout from the wedge reversal pattern, thus the bullish pattern continues, as I will show you. Here is the resistance of the wedge pattern, and now drawing in support here, and on an 1 hourly chart we can see an wedge pattern being formed, and thus what I am also considering, which I have told you previously, the market could test, and this also supports our theory of 1 day chart, 1 day channel, in which I have told you the market should test the lower support, and here also we have the lower support in the wedge pattern, which is some around 1714, but I will trigger my long position some around at 1720 or 1719 with a stop loss of 1702 or 1703 here. For the wedge, what I am considering, the market to test the resistance and then breaking the wedge reversal pattern. Now coming on the fundamentals to support me, why I am bullish on the gold and why I consider gold to break out this major patterns such as wedge pattern, wedge reversal pattern, descending channel on 1 day chart. Now the fundamental is that as we go forward, we can see that the hedge funds and the money managers has increased their net long position on both gold and silver. As we know, gold always faces pressure on the starting days, and moreover, why I am bearish for the gold for in short term for the gold to test this is that the mark to test the lower support, which is some around 1719 till 1715, is that as we know that the gold always faces pressure on the starting days of the week such as Monday and Tuesday. It acts as in fueling up for the gold and continue its rally for the further week or the week ahead, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Thus we can consider the gold to test this support on Monday and Tuesday. Gold to silver ratio is also supporting my analysis, and the gold can be bullish as and moreover metals typically in June performs well. In the previous year 2019 we have seen a major breakout in the gold market from 1360, which act as a great or a major resistance, and from which the gold has bounces off many times. Thus the month of June is an quite bullish for the gold.